નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો આપણે જાણીએ છીએ કે જેટકો જીએસસીસીએલ તથા વેરિયસ ડિસ્કોમ એક્ઝામમાં એડવાન્સ લેવલનું કોમ્પ્યુટર નોલેજ પૂછવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું છે. તો મિત્રો આ સિરીઝમાં આપણે એડવાન્સ લેવલના કોમ્પ્યુટરના MCQ જોઈશું. તો આજે આપણે મિત્રો કોમ્પ્યુટર નેટવર્કના MCQ જોઈએ. તો ચાલો મિત્રો વિડીયો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. MCQ 1. Which layer of the OSI model are host to host layers? Here, correct option is option number A. Transport, session, presentation and application. 2. In TCP, a unique sequence number is assigned to each. Here, correct option is option number A. Byte. 3. Socket address is. Here, correct option is option number B. Combination of IP address and port address. 4. Which of the following is not a valid multicast MAC address? Here, correct option is option number D. 5. Suppose you are browsing the World Wide Web using a web browser and trying to access the web servers. What is underlying protocol and port number that are being used? Here, correct option is option number B. TCP 80. 6. A medium for transferring data between two locations is called. Here, correct option is option number B. Communication channel. 7. The DNS maps the IP address to. Here, correct option is option number C. A hierarchy of domain names. 8. How long is an IPv4 address? Here, correct option is option number B. 32 bits. If asked IPv6, then correct answer is answer number C. 128 bits. 9. The field in IPv4 diagram is not related to fragmentation. Here, correct option is option number C. TOS. 10. The layer of the TCP/IP protocol are. Here, correct option is option number D. Application layer, data link layer, transport layer, network layer, and hardware layer. 11. How many maximum link can be created in a mesh topology network on n computers? Here, correct option is option number A. N into n minus 1 divided by 2. 12. Which of the following switching technique was used in ARPANET? Here, correct option is option number B. Packet switching. 13. In which of the following topology each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to a central controller? Here, correct option is option number D. Star. 14. Which of the following is an example of bidirectional data communication? Here, correct option is option number D. Both 2 and 3 means half duplex and full duplex. 15. Which of the following is the stateless transport layer protocol? Here, correct option is option number C. UDP means user-defined protocol. 16. Which of the following is not the layer of TCP/IP protocol? Here, correct option is option number D. Presentation layer. 17. Bluetooth is an example of. Here, correct option is option number D. Path. Personal area network. 18. In the TCP/IP model, encryption and decryption are function of blank layer. Here, correct option is option number D. Application. 19. Blank is the protocol designed to handle real-time traffic on the internet. Here, correct option is option number D. RTP. 20. Which of the following protocols uses both TCP and UDP? Here, correct option is option number D. DNS means domain name system. 21. LAN work on which of the following layers? Here, correct option is option number D. Physical and data link. 22. Time to live field in the IP datagram is used. Here, correct option is option number B. To prevent packet looping. 23. What is the range of data field in the Ethernet frame format? Here correct option is option number A, 46 byte to 1500 bytes. 24. What does DDoS stand for? Here correct option is option number B, distributed denial of service. 25. Which network protocol allows host to dynamically get a unique IP number on each boot up? Here correct option is option number A, DHCP means dynamic host config protocol. 26. In Ethernet CSMA/CD, the partial bit sequence is transmitted by media access management to handle collision is called. Here correct option is option number C, jam. 27. The IP address range blank to blank is reserved for loopback. Here correct option is option number A. 28. What is the size of UDP header in bytes? Here correct option is option number D, 8. 29. When a signal travels through a media, loss in its energy is called. Here correct option is option number C, attenuation. 30. The class C IPv4 address must start with. Here correct option is option number D, 110. 31. A digital signature is required. Here correct option is option number A, for non-repudiation of communication by a sender. 32. The router table contains address belonging to blank protocols. Here correct option is option number A single. 33. Blank uses pretty good privacy algorithm. Here correct option is option number C, both electronic mails and file encryption. 34. Which of the following is responsible for converting high-level language protocol address to physical network address? Here correct option is option number C, ARP. 35. Frames from one LAN can be transmitted to another LAN by. Here correct option is option number B, bridge. 36. In IPv4 addresses, classful addressing is replaced with. Here correct option is option number A, classless addressing. 37. Which is the security issue applicable to IP protocol? Here correct option is option number D, 1, 2 and 3 means packet sniffing, packet modification and IP snooping. 38. Which is the networking device that operates at physical layer? Here correct option is option number A, hub. 39. TCP port number for HTTP service is. Here correct option is option number C. 40. What is routing algorithm used by OSPF routing protocol? Here correct option is option number D, link state. 41. A starvation-free job scheduling policy guarantees that no job indefinitely waits for a service. Which of the following job scheduling policy is starvation-free? Here correct option is option number D, round robin. 42. Which of the following is not an example of scheduling algorithms? Here correct option is option number D, random scheduling. 43. Which of the following is not a scheduling model used by RTOS? Here correct option is option number C, variable scheduling. 44. In blank disk scheduling algorithm, the disk head moves from one end to other end of the disk, serving the request along the way. When the head reaches the other end, it immediately returns to the beginning of the disk without serving any request on the return trip. Here correct option is option number D, C-scan. 45. Which of the following is not a condition for process state transition from running state to wait state? Here correct option is option number C, if a lower priority process arrives. 46. Which of the following contained in process control block? Here correct option is option number D, all of the above means process number, List of open files and limits. For 47. What is the size of physical address space in a paging system which has a page table containing 64 entries of 11 bit each and a page size of 512 bytes? Here correct option is option number C, 2 raised to 19. 48. Which of the following is not an optimization criteria in the design of CPU scheduling algorithm? Here correct option is option number A, minimum CPU utilization. 49. Fork is a function used in a. Here correct option is option number D, OS system call. 50. In contents of operating system file management function, what is the full form of FAT? Here correct option is option number B, file allocation table. તો મિત્રો નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે બીજા ટોપિકના MCQ જોઈશું. આભાર.